English conversation practice. Hello, how are you today?
Hi, I am good, thanks. How about you?
What's your name?
My name is Lucia.
Where are you from?
I am from Spain.
How old are you?
I am 28 years old.
Do we get free treatment?
Yes, we get it.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on April the 2nd.
Where do you study?
I'm a student at a UK university.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Where are you born?
I was born in Australia.
Do you have any weekend plans?
I am going to a movie.
Where are you going?
I am going to drink water.
Do you exercise regularly?
No, I go to exercise 3 days a week.
Do you usually eat lunch alone?
I usually eat lunch alone.
What did you do yesterday?
I went to pay a visit to my grandmother.
How may I help you?
I want to get a job.
How was your trip to America?
It was perfect and better.
How many children do you have?
No, I have no children.
Do you have any siblings?
Not. I have no brothers and no sisters.
What is the capital of your country?
The capital of my country is Belgium.
What day was yesterday?
Yesterday was Sunday.
When do you have breakfast?
I have breakfast at 8 a.m.
What is your friend's name?
His name is Tony.
Do you know who I am?
Not. I have no idea.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 11 p.m.
What time do you get up?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is hamburgers.
Do you take out the trash every day?
Yes, I take out the garbage every day.
Can you speak English fluently?
Yes, it is my native language.
Do you like to take photos?
Yes, I like to take photos.
Should we meet at the park later?
Yes, but the park is too crowded.
How heavy is the box?
About 25 kilograms.
What is your favorite game?
My favorite game is baseball.
When will you come?
About 5 p.m.
Did you watch a new movie?
Yes, I watched a new movie.
Was it a good movie?
It was really good.
Where is your father?
My father is going to the office.
Were you with your family?
No, I wasn't with my family.
Are you afraid?
No, I am not afraid.
Can you use the computer?
No, I not can use a computer.
What is she doing?
He watches television.
What is wrong with her?
Yes, she is sick.
Do you like this city?
Yes, I like this city very much.
What are you doing?
I am reading a book.
What are you cooking?
Yes, I am cooking pizza.
Do you like giving gifts?
Yes, I love giving gifts.
What is he doing after work?
He is relaxing after work.
What will you do tomorrow?
I will go shopping tomorrow.
What is your favorite color for clothes?
My favorite clothing colors are blue turned and green.
Does your neighbor have a garden?
They have a big garden.
Is it yours?
Yes, it is mine.
What is your favorite vegetable?
My favorite vegetable is green beans.
Are you okay?
Yes, I am okay.
Can you fix my bike?
Yes, I can fix your bike.
Do you like to go hiking?
Yes, I like to go hiking.
Did you buy your house?
Yes, I bought my house.
What is your favorite song?
My favorite song is Sarah Antibustara.
Did you receive my email?
Yes, I got it.
Do you often go to restaurants?
Yes, I like to restaurants eating out.
What would you like to eat?
I like to eat pizza.
How does it taste?
It is delicious and very beautiful.
Is there a bank near here?
Yes, there is a bank nearby.
Can I have a glass of water?
Certainly, here you are.
Can I please speak to Alex?
I'm sorry he is not here at the moment.
When will he be back?
He will be back in 2 days.
Do you think he will be happy?
I think so.
Do you think you can do it?
I will do my best to try.
What is your favorite type of soup?
I like chicken noodle soup.
Is there anything else I can do for you?
No, thank you for your time.
Are these books yours?
These books are not mine.
What is your favorite type of bread?
I like whole wheat bread.
How do you spend your evenings?
I spend time watching television.
What is your favorite type of tea?
I enjoy green tea.
What do you have a favorite app?
My favorite is a gaming app.
Are all hospitals government?
No, all hospitals are not the government.
Pleased to meet you.
Same, nice to meet you.